Hey foodies, welcome back to Bloggin Good Food. I'm John, your culinary guide on a sweet journey today. And trust me, it's gonna be deliciously creative. The art of cookie cake crafting. Ever wondered how to turn a simple cookie into a work of art? Well, strap in because we are about to dive into the world of creative cookie cake designs. Just look at these culinary masterpieces, cookies transformed into jaw-dropping cakes, each a canvas waiting for your creativity. Cookie canvas creation. It's not just about taste, it's about turning your cookie into a canvas. Let your imagination run wild. From elegant swirls to playful designs, these cookie cakes are a feast for the eyes. Imagine the joy of creating edible art right in your kitchen. DIY cookie cake extravaganza. Ready to try this at home? I've got some easy DIY tips coming your way. Spoiler alert, it's as fun as it is delicious. Grab your apron, gather the family, and let the baking adventure begin. These images capture the pure joy of turning simple ingredients into delightful cookie cakes. Flavorful explosion. Now let's talk flavors. From classic chocolate chip to exotic combinations, there's a cookie cake flavor for every palate. These images will make your taste buds dance. Visual delights with flavors that go beyond the ordinary. Get ready for a flavor explosion. Celebrate cookie cakes. Cookie cakes aren't just for ordinary days. They are showstopper at celebration too. Birthdays, anniversaries, you name it. These images capture the joy of sharing delicious moments with loved ones. Celebrate life's sweetest moments with a slice of happiness. And there you have it, folks. Cookie cakes that are as delightful to look at as they are to eat. If you try any of these ideas, share your masterpieces with us on Bloggin Good Food. Until next time, keep baking and stay sweet.